Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today I'm here with a simple recipe. It is a simple chicken recipe. It is an extremely healthy recipe. You're using ghee and which is a source of healthy fat. You should definitely try this recipe. It is extremely delicious. The way I've made it, I've tried 2 to 3 times and everybody in my family loves this recipe. And all those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So to start with, we'll prepare the masala of the spice powder mix for this recipe. I have taken 3 Kashmiri red chili and normal red chilies. Then 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Please note that there is a difference between teaspoon and tablespoon. Next, we'll dry roast these spices. After dry roasting, I have transferred them into a mixer grinder jar. Now into this we'll be adding 1-inch piece of chopped ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Soak tamarind for half an hour and then extract juice from the pulp. Next, we will grind this into a fine paste. Add this finely ground paste into a mixing bowl. Now to this I'll be adding 1 cup, that is 250 ml of curd. This is plain homemade curd. If you're buying a 500 ml packet, you can use 3/4 part of it. Now to this I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, 1 tablespoon salt. Now mix this really well. This marination mix is for 1 kg chicken. If you're using more chicken, you need to increase the quantity of marination. Now to this I'll be adding 1 kg of cleaned and cut chicken. Now mix this really well. Coat the chicken pieces with the marination and allow it to sit in the marination for at least 1 hour. Once you finish mixing, in the end I'll be adding 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This will make the chicken pieces more juicier and softer. The marination time is minimum 1 hour. You can also keep it overnight. Now after marination, let's start with the cooking process. Here I've taken 1/4 cup of ghee or clarified butter. That is around 6 to 7 tablespoons of ghee. Now to this I'll be adding 3 finely sliced onions. Sort the onions till they turn translucent. Here I'm using a cast iron skillet for cooking. Using cast iron utensils in your daily cooking routine will help in better iron assimilation into your body. So all those who are suffering from iron deficiency should incorporate iron utensils in your daily cooking process. To buy the skillet, the link will be given in the description box below. Now once the onion is slightly brown, I'm going to add the chicken pieces. Just the pieces because I need slight grilled marks on it. After adding the chicken pieces, cook this on very high flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, you can see that the chicken pieces have shrunk and also slight grill marks are there. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of jaggery, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, and the remaining marination mix with a little bit of water. Now mix this really well and cook this on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Now all those who have not watched my previous chicken recipes, that is zero oil chicken and herbal chicken, please do try out and do share your feedback in the comment section below. I'll be sharing the link in the description box as well. Once the gravy thickens, switch off the flame and garnish it with some curry leaves. This recipe goes well with almost all combinations like rice, roti, naan, appam, etc. My favorite combination is with roti. Please do let me know which one is yours. I hope you all liked this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also do share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.